the procedure of the submission of the research paper into the various journal, it is very tedious, because every time one of some journals they accept IEEE reference style, some journals they prefer APA reference style. So many times it consume our lot of time to set the research paper into the journal template. So this is a common problem. In this video I will address how to resolve these kind of problems. Not only this will help you, this video will help you to write your thesis quickly also. So be focused on into that. So let us start this video. So once again you all are welcome in the second part of the video. In this video I will tell you how to cover, how to write a thesis. So let me start, let me describe you quickly, and this video will solve all the purposes all the problems that you face in while writing the research paper or the thesis. The very big problem is how to change every time if you want to change to if you want to send your paper across many journals. One is following API style, other is following IEEE style, another one is following some another style. So every time it took very long time, and the authors get bored in such a stupid task. So I will tell you how to write it quickly. So see here, you just have to while writing the thesis, see you are writing the introduction part. So once you write an introduction, you started the introduction part. I am starting here by introduction. Let us suppose I am writing he is I am just taking a just a simple text. So he is very lazy and did remarkable job. I am just writing something which comes into my mind. So let me first of all quickly correct the grammatical error. And now if you want to put a reference here, any reference here, so what you have to do, once you downloaded the Mendeley, as I told you in my earlier video, you should have to this kind of tabs are appearing in your references tab. So what you have to do, you just have to go to the insert, and in the insert you have to type the author you want to cite it here. Let us suppose I want to cite it Pawan. So I just write Pawan, and there are several papers of Pawan Vig are coming. Now he is very lazy. Whatsoever title, whatsoever the paper which is sorted over here, you just have to click on to that, and you have to do OK. Once you do OK, then the reference get quoted. Now if I write he is a dean research and doing very well. So here also again you want to cite some another reference. So again the same procedure you have to do, insert and go to, this time I am SN Ahmed. I am searching SN Ahmed. He is my guide basically in Jamia Millia, and he is very nice, and I never saw a person like him. He treated me as his own child, and I definitely, sir, I salute you if you saw this video, and I am saluting you for particularly to just to greet you. So see, this is a paper with the SN Ahmed. So once you clicked it here and say OK to there, so then this will be cited here. So this how you can write anything. I am just writing anything, and if you want to quote some more reference like okay, I will write one more, I will quote one more reference. Just go to the insert citation. This time I am quoting my one of the student who is very fond of me, and he is always behind me to do research. His name is Vaibhav Bhatia. So I am searching him, Vaibhav Bhatia, and I am remembering you, Vaibhav. If you are watching this video, again a big salute to you, because you also did very good job. Right now he is in Germany and doing a very good research in the field of electrical and electronics engineering. So Vaibhav, I am citing your paper here, you can saw here. So this is the way you can 1 2 3. Now this is something you how to quote how to quote the citations in the text. Now the big problem arises whenever you have to write at the end, references at the end, because there are two tasks. One is you have to quote every references inside the text. This is the way how to quote it, and you want all the references must be in an order at the end. So for this you can just do the single click here at the insert bibliography. You just insert it. See, 1 2 3, the same as I marked, I cited inside the text. You can see all the references are here. So this is a one beauty. Now I will tell you the another beauty, which is a very important for all of you. What you have to do, let us suppose this is the, if you see, this is a reference style which is in IEEE, and I saw the people who basically did it manually by writing VOL, and I did it personally. I speak, in my time I already also did it in my initial phases of the PhD. I did it manually, like type VOL dot, then NO dot, and sometimes I missed comma, sometimes I missed some full stop, and this pays me a lot. I still remember one of my papers, they returned back only because of my references. So that pain me a lot, and I do not want you to be a victim of this thing. So that's why I am going to tell you how to cite a reference. Another thing, now the very beautiful step is this time this is cited in the terms of if you have a knowledge about the reference style. So this is a references in the IEEE standards. Now let us suppose we want it in some another format, like these are the formats which are available, Nature format, IEEE, APA, American Psychological Association 6th edition, Chicago. There are so many sites, and see there are more style also. If you click it here, then you can find many more. So let us suppose I have to many times we have to convert it into APA style. So APA style is this, American Psychological Association with 6th edition. So you just have to click over here. Once you click it, oh my god, the whole document get changed. See this, otherwise this will took my full day to convert IEEE into APA. Now you see the references itself, they get changed, because in APA the alphabetically they are arranged in alphabetically, not in number. See, alphabetically already they get changed, and everything is changed. This is the beauty of Mendeley, and I hope you all now understand what is the importance of Mendeley. So if you are the beginner and you just start your journey towards the research, you should have to download Mendeley. And if you face any problem, you may contact me anytime to my email ID that is given in the description, and I am always very happy to help you all of them. So if you like this video, just share and subscribe it, and I will come up, that gives me a motivation to design some more videos and help you people out. So if you like this video, kindly share, subscribe my channel. I will come back soon with some more innovative video. So